minus 10 degrees outside right now. I want to see if this Freightliner behind me is going to start. I don't have to go anywhere, just more or less curious if it's going to start or not. Not had this one in cold weather before, just want to see how she behaves in the cold. It was minus 17 last night. It's warmed up to a balmy minus 10. Wind chills like, I don't know, 11 miles an hour. It's about minus 20, something like that. So it's cold enough. Let's see if this baby's going to start. Could have done without that. Face full of snow. Come on. Here we go. Come on, girl. Oh! Look at that. Now, if you've ever had a cold truck gel up on you before on startup, you'll know they'll run about 10 minutes and then just kind of puke. So I'm going to let this thing run for 10, 20, 30 minutes, run to the post office, come back and see if she's still running. But she's purring like a kitten right now. I ain't even chug-a-lugging, so I'm liking this. 30 minutes later, still cranking away, so we're good. Check out these anti-gel products from the Fuelox company, Fuelox.com. You got the Freeze Guard. These are 3-ounce bottle. Lowers your cold filter plug point by 47 degrees. And this cold charge is also anti-gel, lowers it by 33 degrees. This one also has a catalyst in it. This one is straight military grade anti-gel. 3 ounces treats 120 gallons. More than a bottle of Power Service. If you use my discount code at Fuelox.com DIY Semi, you'll get 15% off. And this will bring this down below $10. So look at what a bottle of Power Service is in the truck stop and you compare. And you get a case of these, it'll fit in the size of a shoebox and be a whole winter supply. So check it out. Be safe in the winter time, man. Don't gel up on the side of the road. It's dangerous.